So I took one of this clear plate from Dollar Tree, but I used this before, so I just spray painted it in silver, but you can leave it as plain. You will not need any color. Then I took this floral foam. I'm gonna put some hot glue at the bottom and then attach it to the plate. I'm just like that. Once I attach it to the plate, I'm going to take a glass and I'm also going to take a light. I'm gonna do it like that all the way around it and then put some hot glue to attach that part that I don't want it to show. It's like the little cable. Then I'm going to place the light inside and then I'm going to put it upside down and turn it on and place it down. I'm going to take a little flower just to cover that part of the light so it won't show. Then I'm going to take my flowers and a toothpick. I'm going to place it inside and then I'm going to, sometimes it comes out through the flower. If it does, just hold it through there and then just place your flower inside just like that. If you wanted to hold it or to attach it, just put some hot glue and then place the flowers so it can hold in place good. So I'm just going to continue attaching all the flowers. I'm going to put some green and some pink flower. And here you can also use your hot glue to attach it on the sides so it can stay in place. Then the other way that you guys can do it is just put the toothpick first and then put your flower. And then I'm going to put one on top and then I'm going to put a white flowers. I'm just going to show you different ideas of how you can do it. So I'm going to continue putting flour the same way I did the other centerpiece as well. Just continue putting it all the way around it until you're done. Then I took this glass. I'm going to put some water and some lemon inside. And then I'm going to place it on top. Make sure to hot glue them on top. Then put a candle on top. For the other centerpieces, I'm going to take the floral foam and just place it through it and make sure to just go around it like that until you cut the whole thing out, like that you see that it's go all the way through it. Once it does, flip it around and then take that extra part that we have, just go ahead and take it around and take it out. And here you can attach it with hot glue if you want. But before you do that, just make sure to put some lemons and make sure to put some water before you put the flour. Don't do it like I did. I put it afterwards. Then go ahead and place it inside. And here's that I say that you could put some hot glue if you wanted to attach it better. Then I put a branch on top. I'm going to put a few branches with flowers and leaves, just like that. You could do any color that you are doing or any on your party themes. And then I'm going to place some flower around it. And I'm also going to use the same way with a toothpick to attach it into place so you don't have to use the hot glue. It will attach perfectly fine just like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take some hot glue and attach the base to the top just like that. Another way that you guys can do it is just put the glass upside down. Don't do it upside down, do it the regular way. Then put some lemon and then just go ahead and place some water inside. Put some hot glue on the top and you're going to place the other centerpiece that we just did on top of this one. Here you can just leave it as that, or you can also just put something cute just to cover that part in there. And this is the first DIY how it turns out. This is just for something like so simple, fast that you guys want to do and you don't have time to do it. And this is how it look with the regular flowers, with the white flowers, and the other way is with the other flowers. And this one is how it looks with a cup on top and the candle on top. I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can do it. And I think either way, it's going to come out super cute. This one is just for taller versions. And if you want it taller than this one, then I created this one. And this one is with the light and the lemons. You decide which one you like it. You can also put both lights instead of lemon and light, or you could do both lemons. It's up to you how you want to do it. This is the one with both of them to have lemons like that. I think it's something so cute and so simple to do that you guys can do at home. I hope you guys like it, and thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to subscribe.